Right. Now I repeat again. Observe here. So delete command is what? Delete. Delete is a DML command. DML command, all of you. Okay, which is used to delete the body. Body. Truncate is a DDL command which deletes the header. Will delete the header, body automatically deletes. Plus it recreate the header. It recreate the header. That's why truncate is what? DDL command, guys. Somebody ask why truncate DDL command? Because it is deleting the not the body, deleting what? Header. At that time, automatically body also deleting. Again, recreating what here? Recreating the header, guys. That's what is the DDL command, remember. Okay, right. And coming to truncate and drop. Truncate and drop. So truncate deletes the header and recreate the header. Recreate the header immediately. But drop will delete both header, body permanently. Permanently, no recreating. That's why after drop command, what is remaining means nothing is remaining. Nothing is remaining, guys. Nothing is remaining. Nothing is remaining. That's why. So table is not there. If you perform any operation, it says that table does not exist. After truncate, what is remaining means what? Header is remaining. That's why it says that empty set. Empty set. Now, observe here. What is our now truncate over, right? Truncate over. Again, see, still body header is there, right? Again, what do I do? I copy this data. I copy the insert data. Again, right. Imagine now some data is there, okay? Some data is there, guys, now. Some data is there. Now, drop table. Table name is what here? Drop table. Table name is employees. Table name is what here? Table name is employees, okay? Table name is employees, guys, employees. Now, all of you observe here. All of you observe here. If you run this one, see, it's okay. Then select a star from. Select a star from table name is what here? Employees. Table name is employees. Okay. You can see now. It says that what here? Table does not exist. Table does not exist. All of you. Okay. That it is about what guys here? DDL and DML commands. DML, DML commands. Okay. Next, one last one, what here? DRL, guys. DRL. DRL sublanguage or DRL commands. DRL. So DRL means what? Data retrieval, guys. Data retrieval. Retrieval language. It has only one command, that is what? Select command, guys. Select command that we know already. Select already we are discussing, right? Every time. But here, what syntax? Select a star from table name, right? So why it is used generally select command is used to delete, sorry, to retrieve, right? To retrieve the table, right? Table means what? Both the header and the body, guys. Both will retrieve header and body. Okay. So we can take select star from table name, right? From table name means employees table. That's all. Means what here? All of observe it clearly. From this table, display all. Select means what? Display. All of observe. So it means what here? It means from this table, display all. Star means what? All. Display all. From this table, display all columns. All means here all columns, guys. If columns coming means automatically body also will come. Body also will come here. If remove the header, body also will delete. If retrieve the header, body also will retrieve all of you. Okay. That's why star means what? All columns. All columns from this table. All columns means what? Like a ID column means ID data. Next name column means the name values also will come. Next salary column, salary values also will come. Next company column, company values also will come. Next location column, values also will come. So all columns will come. That's one way. Or select, you can specify whatever columns you want. I want display only name. I want display salary. That's all. From table name again. From table name, guys. That's all. Right? You can take either select a star or select. You can take the columns names, guys. In this case, what happens here? From this table, I want to get only e-names and salaries. Only e-names and salaries. Those two only will display, remaining will not display. So either select star or select some columns names, guys. We give some columns names, that's all. So we can take what here, select, which one? Columns names, okay. Some columns names. Then from table name. That's syntax. Two syntaxes for the selector. Columns names means we can give name, comma, salary, comma, location, comma, like that we can give different columns, guys. Okay, location and so on. All of them. Right? So it is about what? It is about DRL, guys, right? DRL. DRL. Okay. Right. So all of this one clear now? Hmm? So DDL and DFL, DRL, guys. This is what SQL sub languages. SQL sub languages. Okay. Right. So Monica asked one question. What is that means? Sir, what is the use of a truncate command? Right? Very good. Good question. What is the use of truncate command? Right? Your meaning is, sir, if you run the delete command also, delete the all data and empty header is there. If you run the truncate also, delete the all data, empty, right? Empty. But Monica, just observe here millions of rows are there. For example, okay. So millions of rows are there, right? At that time, delete command takes more time to delete all the data, right? It takes more time. It takes more time to delete all, but it does the operation very quickly. Does the operation very quickly. Delete millions of rows, guys. All of you. So even though look like both are doing same operation, delete truncate, but speed wise, guys, speed wise or performance wise. So see, if you have like 100 rows, 1,000 rows, 10,000 rows, no much difference. No more difference. When you have the millions of data, at that time, if you apply delete command, it takes little bit more time. And if you apply truncate command, it takes very less time. It does the operation very quickly, very quickly. That's all. You clear now, Monica? Right. Fine. So, guys, this is the one concept of MySQL. That is the commands, right? Commands, guys. Entry point of view, these commands again are most important. The differences like delete, truncate difference, right? All of you observe now. The difference between delete, truncate. They may ask in the right, delete, truncate, okay, or alter, update differences, alter, update differences, or create, insert differences, plus insert differences, or truncate, and drop differences. they may ask they may ask definitions all of right differences and the syntax is most important, guys. Syntaxes, they will not ask create a table like that in most cases. They ask write a syntax for this all. How to delete a specific row, write a syntax. How to add the data for a specific column, write the syntax. Right? What is difference between insert and update or insert and create? Right? Like that. Remember, just practice well. These are syntaxes and these differences, guys. Well, practice more, you can understand the differences all. Right? So tomorrow, let's go with a new concept, guys. Tomorrow we start a new concept of our SQL. Okay. It may be like constraints or maybe some clauses are there, skill clauses. We'll see. Okay, some concept will start tomorrow. Thank you all, guys. Bye.